Page is not available right now, Instagram problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a cellular, you can also switch to a cellular data. Next, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version. As you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Instagram application over here and then tap on app info. As we tap on app info, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch the Instagram application on your device, and if that does not fix your issue, simply make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot, and then you'll be able to restart the device, and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.